In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add transitions in Ssemble. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create smooth, professional-looking changes that make your captions feel polished and intentional, without adding any unnecessary complexity. First, log into Ssemble. Open your preferred browser, head to the Ssemble website, and sign in to your account. Give the page a moment to load fully so every tool is available. If you work across different devices, make sure you're on the account where your project is saved so everything you need is right there when you start. Next, open your clip in the editor. From your dashboard or project list, choose the project that already contains the clip you want to work with and make sure it opens in the main editing workspace. You should see your timeline at the bottom, your preview window in the center, and the main tool panels along the sides. Now click on Edit. This brings up the core editing controls for your selected clip. If you have multiple clips, confirm you've selected the right one in the timeline so the edit panel reflects the exact media you're adjusting. Then go to Captions. This is where you manage the text that appears on screen, including style, timing, and in this case, transitions. If your captions are already generated or imported, you'll see them in the track. If not, make sure your captions are added to the project first so you can apply transitions to them. Add a transition by clicking the Transition button. You'll typically find this within the Captions tools, labeled clearly as Transition. When you click it, Ssemble will display available options designed to control how your captions appear and disappear, helping them blend naturally with the visuals. Then select the transition you want. As you browse, consider the overall tone and pacing of your video. For a clean, modern look, a simple fade often works best. For something more dynamic, you might choose a slide or pop style. Keep readability in mind. Transitions should support your message, not distract from it. Subtle, consistent choices usually look more professional, especially across longer videos. As you choose your transition, the preview updates so you can instantly see how it feels. If a selection looks too busy or too abrupt, pick a gentler option until the movement matches your content's energy. Apply the same transition across your captions for a cohesive style, or reserve a slightly different one for emphasis on key sections. That's it. Log in, open your clip, click Edit, go to Captions, add a transition, and select the one that best fits your video's style.